Yo, yo people, what go on? Today we had some quick curry chicken, you see me? Quick curry chicken. Yeah man. Quick. So we have some chicken on buy at the butcher, some chicken thighs on buy at the butcher, free range chicken. Supposed to be free range. Well that's what them say. £10 for a kilo. £10, 66 for a kilo. So we're gonna do some curry, free range chicken thigh, naive in it. Yeah man, cause a long time I not to post on the Instagram and them thing there and the YouTube, you know? So yeah man. So we are working on our free range chicken from the butcher, okay? Free range chicken thigh. So for £10, 1, 2, 3, 6 pieces of chicken for £10. Not bad, not true. And them say free range, so see what I go on. First and foremost, what we are going to do is clean up our chicken, right? So that's what we're going to do. Clean up the chicken and we're going to chop it up. Because I like when curry chicken chop up small, you know. You see me? You need to sharpen them knife thing. So normally, just take off the skin them man. You see me? Just rip off the skin them because curry chicken, some people and also we are doing skin with chicken them and normal them we can cut them in 3 pieces still, right? So we're gonna cut our chicken thigh in 3 pieces. And don't say, oh, so you know I'm gonna wash the chicken. Yeah man, we're gonna wash the chicken after. We just cut them up first. And we'll cut a lemon and we're going to wash it off with the lemon, okay? That's what we're going to do. You me, sometimes you come in from work, you have to do something quick, and that will depend tonight. So we just want to season and cook. We not marinate. Other than that, if it was a Friday night or something that season up on Friday night and cook for Saturday, you see me, so make it marinate. But on every evening we can marinate chicken. Sometimes we have to just, you know, season and cook. You see it? And we still have the same yard flavor, same way, bad, wicked flavor. Even though we don't cook same time, even though we are cooking same time, the flavor still go up, you see me? Yeah man, so. Some people still don't like wash them chickens still, you see me? Some people don't watch it at all, none at all, but you don't know how we run, we have to wash the chicken, you see it? So, you know, if a man don't want to wash him chicken, fair enough. Team personal choice. Who are we to disagree with him? Because maybe he hasn't been watching his chicken for years and he's still alive, so fair enough. So we born come see the grandmom, granny, auntie, cousin, uncle, brother, sister, everybody I watch them chicken, you see me? So yeah, we have to just do what we know, you see me? So we're gonna know, we'll season him up and all, you see me? That's what we're gonna do, season him up and all. Right? Like what we're gonna season up and all, we're gonna do work with the dry seasoning first. You see me? This Or I have a chicken season. Yeah, chicken season from Jamaica import. You see me? So you have 2 tablespoons of this for this. Okay. As I say, you can use whatever season you want to use, up to you. Because I don't know, everybody have their own preference. And everybody have different type of, taste bud. Yeah. But an idea, we still have go for curry chicken same way. So, I like have a little seasoning to my thing. A little bit of black pepper. So I'm not going to use no salt whatsoever, you see me? And, yeah. And the curry now, what I normally do is add half a tablespoon of curry, just to it like that. And then I add like 1 tablespoon again when I burn it. I have to burn it first. So this is just for the seasoning. But when I cook it now, the first thing I do is burn the curry. Alright? So you just have to rub it in. Yeah, just that little motion like you feel, you see me? Like that. Yeah. Numbers don't lie. Yeah, I know to be careful of the bone as well, because I have a sharp bone in there, You see? And what I realize as well, if you don't want to bone them like this, with the edges like this, you use a big chopper and chop it. For some reason, maybe because of the big chopper and the impact of it go through the bone and clean. You see me? Like it's a saw cut it. So, yeah. I have a big chopper still now, but I don't throw it now. Make no bag of nice. Yeah, chop. You understand? So we're going to season up them here. We're going to left them and then go and chill out for about 10 minutes. And we're going to cut up some green seasoning, some onion, some scallion, some thyme. Matter of fact, I'm not even have scallion actually. Yeah man, so we cut up some seasoning now, you see me, we cut up the onion. Yeah, we don't have scallion, so we're going to work it out in the scallion, we just work with the onion, you see me? Yeah. Like seriously, if you don't follow this, you can make a banging blood clot curry chicken, right, anytime. You can just come in from work and say, what, cook some curry chicken, and just watch the video, alright? When you watch it 1, 2, and 3 times, you see me, you catch it. You can do something and eat and say, yo, this tastes proper. Real Jamaican flavor. Same way. So with the onion, you can grate it and you can cut it up really fine. Like when I just cut it while I have a medium. You see me? Like with the pepper, you can remove the seed. The only reason I'm removing the seed is because they look brown, you see me? I'm not like that. So that means the seed is rotten. So but other than that, I normally cut up the seeds I like, because I like when I curry chicken hot, you see me? And it, no curry chicken alone, every curry thing have a little heat to it, you see me? And with the green pepper them don't really have that much flavor in it, so but you use yellow pepper like them, the red one them. You see me? So yeah. We're gonna use some garlic as well. I know garlic bring a different type of flavor, Yeah. Like with garlic, like with garlic alone, right? And scallion and thyme and them thing there, you can just cook without using powder season, because the garlic have a strong flavor there, man, I tell you. Yeah man people, so watch out what I do with the curry chicken now, see? Yeah, so boom, so the pot warm, you add some oil, yeah, boom. the pot is already warm, so I'm going to do hot, So I'm going to add the curry. I'm going to burn the curry, see? Yeah. So the way we're going to burn it so it don't get too black. You see me? And if you burn the curry too much, it gets really black and you cannot cook with it again. You see me? It gives you a really bad taste. So once you see it start change color and start get dark, that's when we're going to put it in. See it start change color up on the edge then? Yeah, we start putting chicken from now. You see me? See? Up on the edge. Because them patty them really thin, so you have to be careful with them patty. Then now we're adding our chicken. And once our chicken in there, we have to stir it, alright? So we'll just stir it. That's all I'm going to do. Now put the camera away and then we have to stir it. What I'm going to do now is to turn on the flame a bit because as I say, yeah, alright, depends on what you use. Once you get the flame hot and you put in the oil and you put in the chicken, just stir it up. Maybe put it on just below, just above medium flame. Put your cover on and let it sweat out a bit maybe for 5 minutes. And then we are going to come back in and we'll stir it and we'll put in the vegetable and we'll cut up. Alright? Same as we're going to do it. Yeah man, so see after 5 minutes now, what we're going to do? See? Yeah. It's after 5 minutes now, see? So, yeah man people, so this is after 5 minutes now, see? So what we're going to do? So put in the vegetable and we cut up earlier and we're going to store that in, see? And we'll cover it up again. For 5 minutes, like add a bit of water, see? Alright. See that stir up then now. See me? Just stir it up right now. So yeah. We'll cover them up again for about 5 to 7 minutes. Alright. You can stir it in between that time as well. See me? So the next 3 minutes you can stir it. The next 6 minutes you can stir it. And then you add some water to it and we'll cover it up and make it go and simmer down. See? Yeah. So I swear so the thing that I recorded earlier now, but listen people, after 7 minutes while ago, there was a bit of water inside of the pot already. So I'm gonna do now, and that bit of water was from the chicken, the moisture that was in the chicken. So we just add a 1/4 cup of water to this, and we'll cover this up now, and we're gonna make it go and bubble down for the next 15 to 20 minutes. See me? Yeah man, up. Yeah man, so this like I think 10 minutes long enough. You see me? But I go and bubble, or I make it go and bubble, but just show you how the thing looking long, you see me? Yeah man, it up man. But and the place smell wicked, bad, nice. See man people, this is it after 20 minutes cooking on the medium flame. Yeah man, already. Yeah, quick dinner, you see me? Yeah man, tune in, big up.